Okay.
Now let's jump into category 2. So category 2 is grade 6 to 10, and your challenge here is to build a rubber powered car challenge. So you're going to design and build a car that can move using stored energy in rubber bands. So you're going to build a car, but that's going to be powered by using a rubber band, not any other material. So what are the materials that you can use while building the car is you can use paper, cardboard roll, skewers, sticks, spokes, sellotape, masking tape, glue, hot glue, rubber bands, thread. These are the materials that you can utilize, and your car must be powered only by the rubber band, maximizing the car's distance through efficient design. So here your car should be moving the maximum distance. So in that way you have to build your car. It's not that just your car has moved 5 centimeter or 10 centimeter. It has to move to the maximum distance. Now, rules and regulations here for your rubber band powered car. Participants can use any materials that have been mentioned, but the car must be powered solely by rubber band, no motors or external power sources. What can be the car size now? There are no specific size restrictions, but the car must fit within a standard A4 paper size. So the size of the car should not be more than, it should fit in the A4 size paper. It should not be more big than that. This should be demonstrated in the video submission. So the car building process, you can record it as said earlier for the tower challenge. You can record short videos of your car building process, distance measurement. So this has to be recorded completely. You powering the car using the rubber band and launching the car, and the car moving from the starting point to the end point, and measuring that distance is very, very important. And this has to be shown in the video. So what you can do is mark a line at the start point and launch the car and measure the distance where the car has stopped. Again, there you can mark a line and measure the distance. Now surface, the car must be tested on a flat surface, no inclined surface. So the car should be on a flat surface, not an inclined surface. I hope this is clear. Individual participation is allowed, no group participations. Now video submission, what are the things that we'll be looking for in the video? Participants name, grade or the category, a short explanation of their car design. So how did you plan for your car building process? What are the thoughts that came up into your mind, and how did you land up on one particular idea? This you can explain. And a short clip on your building process, the car building process, demonstrating how the car travels from the start point to the end point, then measuring the distance it has traveled, and a short explanation of what they learned from the challenge. So what have you learned from the challenge? A short description on that. Something that you have newly learned, not something which you already knew. Now video requires your video should be of 3 minutes, MP4 or MOV format. Again, you have to upload it in a Google Drive and give us, anyone with the link can have access to it. Upload it in a YouTube channel and submit the YouTube. Then clear views of the design process, the car in motion, and the final distance measured. This has to be very clear in the video that you're going to record. You can record it in any language, and most preferably if it is in English, it will be. Again, same, the selection criteria which we had for the previous challenge, similar is for category 2 also. 50 points for activity presentations, 20 points for creativity, 20 points for communication, and 10 points for video explanation. And here creativity stands for how uniquely you have built your car, and our decision is final. Thank you.